How to change password on Threads account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change your password on Threads account. So for that, you need to first of all open your Threads application and log in. So basically, to change your password on Threads, you need to go through your Instagram account settings, as Threads and Instagram share the same login credential. So now click the profile initials from the bottom of the page. Next, click on the bar icon at the top right corner of your screen. So when you go to this section, you could find the something like this. So come to the account section. So when you go to account section, click on security and click on confirm. So this is going to take you to the Instagram page. Under it, you want to simply go ahead and click on password and security and go to change password. So now then you want to select for the Threads account. So this is the one. So basically, to change your password, you have to change the password for your Instagram as well. So now, first of all, enter in the current password. Then you'll be able to get the chances to create a new one. And as you're done typing in twice, click on change password. You might be logged out of your account, so make sure to re-log in with the same password or maybe an updated password. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.